Hello students, Sairam. Today we will do a MATLAB activity and the topic of the activity is angle sum property of a triangle, in which we will learn to verify the sum of the three angles, interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This you have learned in chapter number 6, triangle and its properties. So let us watch the video and understand the activity. Children, today we will do MATLAB activity. Topic is angle sum property of a triangle. To verify the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. From chapter 6, triangle and its properties. For this you need 4 sheets of plain paper, or you can use colored paper if you have, or assignment sheets also can be used for doing this activity. So let us start. First you will have to draw a triangle of any dimension. You can draw a right angle triangle, you can draw an obtuse angle triangle, you can draw a scalene triangle, you can draw an equilateral triangle. Here on this paper you can see I have drawn a scalene triangle ABC. And you know a scalene triangle has all the sides different and all the angles also different. So here also this scalene triangle has all unequal sides and all the angles also different. Now again here I have drawn again the same triangle, and then we will draw the angles of this triangle using compass. So you all are having compass. You will take the compass and you will keep it here at the vertex of the triangle, and you are going to draw an arc in this way, and you can see the arc will cut both the sides of the triangle. Now for this side also you will take this vertex C, and then you will draw an arc of the same measure which will cut these two sides of the triangle. Now keeping the still point of the compass at vertex A, again you will draw an arc of the same measure. So here you can see three angles of the triangle. Now in this figure you can see again a same triangle is drawn of the same dimension ABC, and if you are using plain paper you can color it, you can color the angles, and if you are using colored paper no need to color it, but you have to mark the angles as 1, 1, 2 and 3 as it is marked here. You will also mark in your triangle like this. So these are the angles of the triangle. Now we will cut this triangle with the help of scissor. So when you will cut it, you will start from this point C. From here you will cut, and then you have to cut very precisely along the side of the triangle. You will cut it, first you will cut the triangle, then you will cut the angles. So I have drawn a similar triangle and I have cut the angles here. I'll show you. This all other cutout of the similar triangle. These are all other angles of the triangle. You can see here, this is all other cutout. Now if I'll keep it here, you can see here it will be exactly like this angle. You can see here it is same like this. You will also cut it and this is the remaining part of the triangle. You can see here. So this is all cut out. You will take out one by one, and then any idea what I am going to do with all these parts? I will tell you. Now for this, you will have to draw a straight line using scale. So using scale, you will draw a straight line. Here I have drawn. So you know how to draw a straight line, and you will put here arrow. Also arrowhead shows that it can be extended to infinite in both the directions. And then you will take a point O here on the straight line. Now what I am going to do? I am going to place all these angles on this line. You can see here I am placing it here. This is angle 1, and you have to place it in such a way that the vertex of this angle should be at point O, and the base of this angle 1 should be coincide with the straight line. So this angle 1 I have kept here. Now angle 2. Angle 2 I will keep beside angle 1 in this way, and then angle 3 also beside angle 2, and you can see they are all adjacent to each other with center O, and the remaining part of the triangle I will stick here. So when you stick this with the help of adhesive, it will look like this. You can see a straight angle can be seen here. Now I have stuck it. I'll show you how it looks. It will look like this. You can see here all these angles are stuck here. Okay, with the help of fevistick you can stick it, and this is the straight angle. This is the center point O. This is O. You can see here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and with the help of protector you can measure also. It will be, you can see here, when you measure with protector you can see it is 180 degree. Here it is 180 degree. So this shows that the sum of all these three angles of a triangle is also 180 degree, because you know a straight angle measure 180 degree. So the sum of all these three angles also will be 180 degree. If you take the angles separately and measure separately, you will see when you add all the three angles, you will see their sum will be 180 degree. And the remaining part of the triangle you will stick here like this. How it is stuck here, you will stick. You can see here, from here angle 1 was taken, from here angle 2 was taken, and from this part angle 3 was taken. And then in your activity notebook you are going to keep this one first. This figure you will stick it in your activity notebook, and then you are going to stick this, then this one, then the second one, this one, this is the second one, and then this two will be the third and fourth. So these four figures you are going to stick it in your activity notebook, and what you are going to write, that all I will explain you in the presentation. I hope you all understood. Thank you. Now I will tell you how to write this activity. You must have followed the activity. So you all are having your MATLAB notebook. You can take the same notebook for this year also, and you will just write standard 7, and then you will write down the topic of the activity, that is angle sum property of a triangle, and the name of the lesson. And how to write, last year how we have written, same method we will follow this year also. So first we will write on the right hand side of the, you know that right hand side pages are used for writing, and for sticking pictures we will use left side. So first you will write aim. So aim is to verify the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then you will write materials required. So materials required, what are the things you have used, that you have to write. If you have used 4 sheets of plain paper, you will write 4 sheets of plain paper. If you have used colored paper, you can write there colored paper. Then second, a pen, a pencil. Then third, colored pencil or sketch pens, scale, scissors, compass, protector, adhesive. So these all are the things which you have used. That all you will write down in materials required. Next, you are going to write prerequisite knowledge. So for this, you need to know the knowledge of straight angle. So you know that a straight angle measure 180 degrees. So you will write first knowledge of straight angle. As it is given, you are going to write in your MathLab notebook like this. Second, concept of triangle and its properties, which you have learned in the lesson. Then you will write procedure. First, draw a triangle of any dimension. You can draw any triangle, so that you will mention. Second, draw arcs to show the angles of the triangle. So using compass, you will show the arc, how I have shown you in the activity. Same way you are also going to show the arcs. And then third point, mark the angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Then fourth, color the angles if you want. If it is a plain white paper, you can color it. Now this is the triangle which I have shown you in the activity. You can draw any kind of triangle and name it as ABC. Now here, this is the same triangle where angles are marked. So you will use compass to draw the arcs. And you will show this as angle. Then in the third picture, here you can see the angles are colored and marked as 1, 2 and 3. You can also do in the same way. Now fifth one, you will cut out the triangle. Now after you draw the triangle and show the angles, color it, mark it, then you are going to cut out the triangle. Cut out all the 3 angles of the triangle. Now draw a straight line which I have shown you in the activity, or a straight angle on another sheet of paper with a point O on it. Then 8 point, place angle 1 on the line in such a way that the base of it should coincide with the line. And then place angle 2 and angle 3 adjacent to each other. You have seen in the activity, angle 2 and angle 3 should be adjacent to each other with center O. This is the way you are going to stick all the angles on a straight line. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. And the remaining part of the triangle you are going to stick in this way, and there you can mark 1, 2 and 3. How it is marked in this figure, you can also mark it so that you can understand that from here angle 1 is removed, from here angle 2 is removed, from this side angle 3 is removed. So we can understand that these angles are removed from that part of the triangle. Now all the 3 angles when placed adjacent to each other completely fit on a straight line. So these all points you have to write, and then you will write observation. Observation is, as a straight angle measures 180 degree, therefore the sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is also 180 degree. Then you will write conclusion, and in conclusion you are going to write the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree have been verified. So using protector also we have checked that it is 180 degree. And then at the end you will write learning outcome. Students are able to verify the sum of the angles of a triangle with the help of activity. Now this is the end of the writing work what you have to do. Now here with this activity some questions are given as home assignment from chapter 1, chapter 4. Chapter 1 was integers which you have learned. Chapter 4 Simple Equations, and Chapter 6 Triangle and its Properties, to be done in maths notebook. So if you have made any maths notebook or last year's maths notebook, if you have pages in it, you can write in that, or assignment sheets or full-scape papers. So whatever you have at home, you can use it for doing the home assignment and to be submitted once the school reopens. Thank you.